Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert rows and columns into a table that you already created into Microsoft Office Word, So yeah, before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here. And if you're wondering, this is a table that we did in our last tutorial. So if you haven't checked out that tutorial, please consider checking it out, and then come back to this. So check the link in the description, and now you can check out this tutorial. And now if you look up there into the YouTube card, it should be popping up right now. So just consider check out that and then come back to this. But if you already know how to create a table, or if you already watched that tutorial, then now you just want to know how to you can insert new row or new columns to it, then this tutorial is definitely for you. So let's get started. Now if you want to insert, let's start with columns. So if you want to insert a column, let's say you want to insert it here, so you want to insert it between this quantity and then unit. So you can click on anywhere. You can even click on here, so you can click in the quantity column or the unit column, right? Just click on there and then right click on your mouse, so this option should be showing up, right? So now once you get this option, you should click on insert, come to insert, and then this tab should be opening up. So it will show you insert columns to the left or insert column to the right. So it's up to you to decide where you want to insert it. Is it on the left or on the right? So if you want to insert it on the left, just click on insert columns to the left, and then once you click on there, you'll see you got it right there, right? And then if you wanted to insert it to your right, again just go wherever you want to insert it to the right, and then just right click and then come on insert, and then insert columns to the right. Click on there, and then now you see you insert it right there, right? Perfect. Now that's how you insert columns into a table that you already created, right? So let's add rows. Let's go to rows. Now let's say you want to insert rows up or down. Again, it's the same thing. Just click on any columns or any rows that you want to insert to, and then right click and then come to insert, then insert rows above or insert row below, right? And then once you click on that, just click insert row above. If you want to insert it above, then you will see you inserted that row above there. And then it's the same thing. If you want to insert it at the bottom, come back to insert and then insert the rows below, and then you'll see you inserted that row right there, right? So that's how you insert rows and columns into a table that you already created in Microsoft Word. So yeah, let's say if you want to adjust, maybe you want to format this, you can also just format this column. You can come here and see you got that something like a cross right there, and then you can just adjust it. If you want to make it big or small, you can adjust it. You can do it with any column, you can adjust it. You can even do it with rows. Come here and then you can adjust that rows right there, make it a bit big, right? You can adjust all that. Just come here at the edge in the line there, as long as you are on that line. Whether if it's column, come to this line, and then if it's row, come to this line. And then once you get that cross right there, you can right click and then just drag it down. It should be working. You can adjust it the size there. So yeah, that's how you work with columns and rows into Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.